Assalamu alaikum students. Next lecture is about properties of real numbers. Here we have to discuss some important properties, some basic properties of real numbers. First property, here I describe the addition properties on this side. And here are the multiplication properties. First property is Clore property. On this side, here I stated the Clore properties of addition. This one. And on the other side, here is the Clore property of multiplication. For all AB belongs to R, then A plus B belongs to R. It means if we take any two real numbers and we add them, the answer will also real numbers. Here for A, B belongs to R, A into B or A multiplied by B. We can also write it AB belongs to R. If we take any two real numbers and multiply them, then answer will also be a real numbers. Second property is associative property. For all A, B, C belongs to R, we consider three real numbers. We add first two real number A and B. After then we add the third number. Or we add second two real numbers. After that we add the first number. The answer will be same. Answer will be equal. Answer will be same or answer is also a real number. This is the associative property of addition. Here I explain the associative property of multiplication. For all A, B, C belongs to R, if we multiply AB first, after that we multiply C. Or if we multiply BC first, after that we multiply A, the answer will be same and answer is belongs to real number. Answer is also real number. Third property is additive identity. Additive identity is such a real number which we add into some other real number, it will not affect on other real number. For all A belongs to R, there exists 0 in R. 0 एक ऐसा real number है such that if we add 0 into A from left side or from right side, the answer will be A and answer belongs to real number. Such a real number which make no difference on other real numbers when we add. So 0 is the additive identity of real number. Here is the additive identity. Here is the multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity means such a real numbers when we multiply it to some other real number, it will not make any effect on other real numbers. So 1 is the multiplicative identity. When we multiply 1 to any other real number, then answer will be that other real number. For all A belongs to R, there exists 1 belongs to R. हर रियल नंबर के लिए 1 एक ऐसा रियल नंबर एग्जिस्ट करता है सच दैट इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई 1 with A from left side or from right side, the answer will be A and answer is a real number. Next property is additive inverse. This property is additive inverse. This property is multiplicative inverse. Additive inverse means such a real number which we add in some other real number, then answer will be additive identity or answer will be 0. So, for all A belongs to R, there exists negative A belongs to R. For each real number, there exists a negative of that number such that we add negative number into original real number from left side or from right side, then answer will be 0 and 0 belongs to R. This is the additive identity property of real number. Multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity means such a real number when we multiply to the original real number, then answer will be multiplicative identity or answer will be 1. For all real number, for all a belongs to R, there exists 1 by a belongs to R such that if we multiply by 1 by a with a from left side or right side, then answer will be 1. 1 belongs to R. Fifth property is the commutative property. Commutative property means for any two real numbers in R, we add b into a or a into b, the answer will be same and answer is also a real number. It means order does not matter in addition property of a real number. This is called commutative property of real number. Here is the commutative property with respect to multiplication. For all two real numbers, if we multiply them and if change the order and multiply them again, the answer will be a real number. If we multiply a with b or b with a, the answer will be same and answer is a real number. This is the commutative property of multiplication. So these are 5 properties of addition. And these are 5 properties of multiplication. This is 6. Closure property of multiplication. This is 7. Associative property of multiplication. This is 8. Multiplicative identity. This is 9. Multiplicative inverse property. Here is 10. Commutative property with respect to multiplication. Next property 11 property is distributive property. For all a, b, c belongs to R, a into b plus c will be equal to ab plus ac and answer will also belongs to real number. Or for all a, b, c belongs to R, a plus b into c is equal to ac plus bc and answer is also a real number. This is left distributive property and this is the right distributive property. These are 11 basic properties of real numbers which we discussed today. Thank you.